1. Ferrero acquires WK Kellogg, what it means for the cereal market. 2. Ferrero acquires Kellogg's Froot Loops maker, what it means for the snack industry. 1. Ferrero acquires WK Kellogg, what it means for the cereal market. Ferrero's bold move, acquiring WK Kellogg for $3.10 billion. In a significant development in the food industry, Ferrero, the renowned chocolate manufacturer, has announced its intention to acquire the cereal powerhouse WK Kellogg for a staggering $3.1 billion. This news, revealed on Thursday, has sent WK Kellogg's shares soaring by 30% in pre-market trading, igniting excitement among investors. However, it's important to note that prior to this announcement, WK Kellogg's stock had experienced a decline of over 2% this year, resulting in a market valuation of approximately $1.5 billion. The acquisition price of $23 per share represents a notable 31% premium compared to the stock's closing price the day before the announcement. The completion of this deal is anticipated in the latter half of the year, contingent upon receiving the necessary approvals from shareholders and regulatory bodies. A shift in focus for Kellogg. WK Kellogg, known for producing iconic American cereals like Froot Loops and Frosted Flakes, became an independent entity in 2023. This spin-off occurred as Kellogg sought to concentrate more on its expanding snack business, leading to a rebranding of the parent company to Kellanova. Kellanova now encompasses popular snack brands such as Pringles and Cheez-It. Interestingly, Mars, the owner of M&M's, has also agreed to acquire Kellanova for $36 billion, although this deal is still pending closure. The bigger picture, consolidation in the food industry. Ferrero's acquisition of WK Kellogg is part of a broader trend of consolidation within the packaged food sector. In recent years, many American consumers have shifted away from sugary cereals, opting instead for healthier breakfast alternatives. Additionally, the rise in inflation has prompted shoppers to gravitate towards private label brands. This strategic move by Ferrero underscores its ambitions to strengthen its presence in the U.S. market. The Italian family-owned company has been actively expanding its North American portfolio, having previously acquired Nestlé's U.S. candy division and Wells Enterprises, the owner of Halo Top. In May, Ferrero, now the third-largest candy company in the U.S., unveiled a new range of products aimed at American consumers, including innovative offerings like peanut-flavored Nutella and Dr. Pepper Tic Tacs. Giovanni Ferrero, the executive chair of Ferrero Group, expressed enthusiasm about the acquisition, stating, "In recent years, Ferrero has broadened its footprint in North America, merging our globally recognized brands with local treasures rooted in the U.S." Today's announcement marks a pivotal milestone in that journey, instilling confidence in the opportunities that lie ahead. Looking ahead, WK Kellogg's financial outlook. WK Kellogg is set to release its quarterly financial results on August 5. However, the company has opted not to hold a conference call due to the ongoing acquisition process. Preliminary results indicate that WK Kellogg anticipates net sales between $610 million and $615 million, with adjusted earnings before interest, taxes, depreciation, and amortization projected to fall between $43 million and $48 million. What do you think? This acquisition raises intriguing questions about the future of the cereal market and consumer preferences. Will this consolidation lead to more innovative products, or will it stifle competition? We invite you to share your thoughts in the comments below. 2. Ferrero acquires Kellogg's Froot Loops maker, what it means for the snack industry. A major shift in the cereal world. How an Italian candy giant is reshaping breakfast culture. Here's the thing, the world of breakfast cereals just got a major shake-up. A beloved Italian confectionery company, known for its iconic Nutella and Kinder chocolates, is now set to take control of one of America's most recognizable cereal brands, Froot Loops. But here's where it gets interesting. This isn't just a business deal, it's a bold move that reflects changing consumer habits, shifting market dynamics, and the ongoing debate over what we eat for breakfast, or even dinner. Let's break it down. Ferrero, the family-owned food giant that's been around since the 1940s, has agreed to acquire WK Kellogg Company, the company behind Froot Loops, Frosted Flakes, and Rice Krispies, for a hefty $3.1 billion. This isn't just about buying a cereal brand, it's about expanding into a market where traditional breakfast foods are facing stiff competition from health-conscious trends and evolving tastes. But why now? And what does this mean for the future of breakfast? To understand the significance, we need to look at the bigger picture. WK Kellogg, based in Michigan, was spun off from the original Kellogg's company in 2023. Think of it as a split between the cereal-focused arm and other snack brands like Pringles and Pop-Tarts, which are now under a separate entity called Kellanova. This move was partly a response to declining demand for sugary cereals, a trend that's been growing for years. Consumers are increasingly choosing oatmeal, smoothies, or even skipping breakfast altogether. But here's the twist, even snack sales are slowing, with companies like Campbell's and General Mills reporting weaker than expected results this year. So, why is Ferrero betting big on this sector? The answer lies in Ferrero's own story. While the company is best known for its golden-wrapped Ferrero Rocher chocolates, it's also a global player with a diverse portfolio. From Kinder Eggs to Halo Top ice cream, Ferrero has a knack for acquiring brands that resonate with different audiences. This latest deal is part of a pattern. In recent years, they've snapped up U.S. candy brands like Butterfinger and Baby Ruth, plus Kellogg's bakery businesses. The goal? To build a stronger presence in North America, where they've historically had a smaller footprint compared to their European dominance. But this isn't without controversy. Last year, WK Kellogg's CEO, Gary Pilnick, sparked some backlash when he suggested that budget-conscious families might consider eating cereal for dinner to save money. While it was framed as a marketing strategy, it also highlighted the pressure on food companies to adapt to rising costs. Some see this as a creative solution, while others argue it's a sign of desperation. What do you think? Is eating cereal for dinner a smart move, or is it a step too far? The deal also raises questions about the future of WK Kellogg. Once a publicly traded company, it will now become a subsidiary of Ferrero, meaning it'll no longer be listed on the New York Stock Exchange. This shift could bring new resources and global reach, but might also raise concerns about how the brand will evolve under foreign ownership. Will Froot Loops stay the same, or will Ferrero tweak the formula to align with its broader product line? And what about the cultural impact? After all, Froot Loops aren't just a cereal, they're a nostalgic symbol for many Americans. As the deal nears completion, one thing is clear: the food industry is constantly evolving, and big acquisitions like this are a reflection of that change. But here's the part most people miss: these moves aren't just about profit. They're about shaping the future of what we eat, how we eat it, and who gets to decide. So, what's your take? Do you think Ferrero's expansion is a smart play, or is it a risky gamble in a shrinking market? Share your thoughts below, because the debate over breakfast is far from over.